Our next model on BrassTrains.com is item 066979. This is from Hallmark Models and is made in Korea by Dongjin. This is a Missouri Pacific 4000 class 2882 articulated steam locomotive and tender. It is a rare model as there was only 100 of these made. This model is unpainted, as you can see. There's no window glazing and no working lights on the model. And we'll give you a demonstration of how it runs. And this model is available at BrassTrains.com. The item number again is 066979.